One of the best things about owning smartwatches is that you can use the Find My Phone feature. As the name suggests, you can find your phone if you lose it in your house. Obviously, both your phone and smartwatch needs to be in Bluetooth range and they both need to be connected. Amazfit T-Rex 2 here comes with the Find My Phone feature. Using it, you can locate your smartphone whenever you are in a pinch. Simply open the app drawer, scroll below and tap on More. Now look for the Find My Phone app and open it. It will make your smartphone ring, so you will be able to easily locate your smartphone. However, this feature doesn't work every time, and it can be due to various issues like Bluetooth not being enabled on your phone, proper permissions are not granted on Zap app, or Zap app is not running in the background. I mean, if you don't open the Zap app every now and then, chances are it is not working in the background. Also, some smartphone brands have aggressive RAM management and don't allow apps to run in the background. So if your phone offers any settings to make an exception for an app to run in the background, then make sure you grant it to the Zap app. So guys, that was it for today. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, then you know the drill. Press that like and subscribe button. See you here next time.